welcome back to the Money Show. And now it's time to get your portfolio queries answered because the plethora of funds available in the market to invest your hard-earned money in. But how do you analyze or assess which is the right fund for your portfolio? What are the criteria that one should be looking at? What type of fund is used to accomplish what type of financial goal? Let's get you an understanding of all of this and answer your portfolio queries. Today I have with me Anil Rego, founder CEO, Right Horizons. And also, just in case you're watching the show live and want to send across your questions, you can do that on WhatsApp number, which is 865-797-4571. You can also send across your questions on our email ID, which is themoneyshowetnow.tv. So, a great lineup of viewer queries coming up. And Anil, good evening and welcome to the Money Show. Let's take Ayush's question first. He says that he's recently turned NRI at the age of 37 and he wants a investment strategy for retirement. He's invested 50,000 each in a small cap fund which is of Axis, PGIM India Mid Cap Opportunity, and 45,000 Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, along with 30,000 in Quant Active Fund, and 15 plus years is the time horizon. And he wants to know if his fund selection is right for him, and he also wants guidance to allocate SIP of 45,000 among these funds, and that's what is his question about. Retirement plan, 15 plus years.
So first of all, it's good to see him planning a little. Of course, he's at mid age, and so that's a good time to start, especially for retirement planning, if not earlier. The funds that he has, I think a couple of them are not necessarily doing as well. Okay, especially PGI. Even if you look at it, has a lower Sharpe ratio as well. So if you look at risk-adjusted return, even though that is not as good, and it's been struggling to generate alpha, right? So on the other hand, Axis Small Cap is a fund which has come off a little bit, but still has a reasonably Sharpe ratio and a low beta. So one would hold it for some time and watch it, and if it improves, that's something one can continue. Others can review, say, after about a year. Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, I think he can just continue. It's a consistent performer and has also Quant Active. Quant Active has been generating good alpha in a good Sharpe ratio. So I think those funds are good in terms of the overall SIP that I would suggest going forward. I would replace some of the underperforming funds. So the funds that we could have, is something like an ICICI Blue Chip, where he can invest about 7,500 rupees in terms of an SIP. Nippon India Multi Cap can be another to look at. SBI Magnum Mid Cap and the 10,000 and Quant Active Fund 7,500. I would also look at a small cap placing Axis, which is HDFC Small Cap Fund, another 10,000 rupees. So it's good to sort of diversify across different categories. Also keeping in mind that mid and small caps have done well sometimes. I think you should not miss out on blue chips because probably, as you go forward, you'll find the blue chips and large caps also come back in. So I think that's a simple strategy, a diversified, strategy you can follow to help achieve your retirement goal.
All right, let's take one more question. I really have 30 seconds for this answer, and it's from Megha. She wants to start an SIP, 30 to 40 years time frame. It is 25 crores. Want to start with an investment amount of 5,000.
Yes, so first of all, 5,000 will not get you to 25 crores. But the good thing, you're looking at 30 to 40 years. If you look at 40 years, then 21,000 per month will achieve that goal because long term. So even if you start smaller, it's good. Increase it as you go over the years.
All right, I think that will be all. Time up. I do have a lot of questions, but then the time is over for today's question answer session. Thank you so much, Anil, for taking time out and helping our viewers today. On that note, it's sign off, but I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can send across your questions and we will get your live financial done on the show. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.